Hello everyone. Are you wondering what ghosted means? Let's explore. Ghosted refers to when someone suddenly stops all communication without any explanation, effectively disappearing from the other person's life. This term is most commonly used in dating or friendship contexts, where one party decides to end the relationship by simply cutting off contact. Ghosting leaves the other person confused, as there's no closure or reason given for the abrupt silence. It's a phenomenon that has become more common with the rise of online dating and social media, where ending a connection can be as simple as not replying to a message. Ghosting is generally seen as an inconsiderate way to end a relationship, as it leaves the other person wondering what went wrong. Essentially, being ghosted is about being left in the dark without any clear explanation or resolution. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.